And this is just to explain who Kitch Christie is. After the World Cup, probably a year before he passed away, I got a phone call from his wife, and she said, "Coach wants to see you." And I think by that time, he probably knew that his end was coming. And so I went there. My wife went with, and so we sat by his bed, and he says, "Ian, I don't have much time left, but I want to fix this before I go." And he said, "I made a mistake. I should have taken you." So, up to that day, I always felt hard done by, and I had this thing inside me. But that day, it all went away. I know today that I was good enough, and